Drop it.
Okay, maybe now we got sound. Better? We have sound now? Yes, we got sound. You guys can hear me loud and clear? There it is. All right, let's go. All right, you guys hear me loud and clear? A little too low? Just let me know. Let me go ahead and adjust my audio just a little bit so we can get... All right there. Okay, perfect. Perfect. We're good? Better? Nice. Good. Jeez. Oh, man. I need a deck can. I swear. I need a deck can sometimes. All right. So... weed trading for the experience. Avi Salomon. What's up, brother? All right. Well, let me get squared away, and then we can get right into it. Okay. Awesome sauce. Let me see what's happening in the chat there. All right. A lot of nothing. So we got something special going on. What we're going to do is let's see. Here we go. We're going to... Let me mute those guys for a second, right? What we're going to be doing a little differently here is we will be covering these guys over at TopStep. We're going to cover their trades. We're going to make our trades. We're just going to see what these guys are up to, okay? So, Fast Markets with Coach Jay and Jerome. Let's really see how good these guys are, okay? So, yeah, this is going to be interesting. Yes. All right. So, Snowmass, Colorado, top trading for it. Good morning. Good morning, Lofty. Let's see. Get caught up with the chats here. Frenchie, how you doing there? Japan, CRF. Peaky Blinder. Yes, Nicky Ricky. Well, Peaky Blinder is a sound engineer, so if he says it sounds awesome, I trust him. He should come on over here and do my audio, though. Oh, Lord, help them. Good morning, sunshine. Devin Hansen. How you doing? Baby? When are you gonna come see me? I'm gonna wax my nipples for you, Devin. Come on, let's go. When are you gonna come see me? Are you going head? Nah, I don't really care to go head. Yeah, listen, man. Let's be frank here. These guys are just nowhere near my fucking level. Nowhere near. Okay. Inclusive Media, what's up? Pablo, good morning. Sean, good morning. All right, we're just hanging out. So, guys, let me get the screen on over here. All right, so what it looks like as it stands, let's look at the market right now, right? We do have a level right here. We have a level, and we could see that price action sort of kind of like rimming this trend tracker here, right? Although the trend is down. Now it is 9:24. There was some talk of Trump moving to markets at 9 in the morning. Didn't really quite see it. Now, for those who are over at Gabe Trades, I want to show you guys what we've done with the Renko. With the Renko here with Gabe Trades, what we've done is we've essentially given you, if we can, why did this? Okay, so you know what? I have to minimize this. I'm going to have to close this out and actually update my, yeah, I'm going to have to close this. We have to update it. I have a saved chart somewhere, all right? I have a saved chart somewhere, but let's see. If I close this, guys, I got to get this ready for market open. So now we're going to go ahead and open this once again and see if my chart updated. Let's see. All right, we got that back there. And then, oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know. All right, now I got to go back here and drag this screen all the way around. This sucks. All right, you guys are going to see how I operate in the morning. Let's see if we can get this dragged on over here, right? So you guys are just going to deal with the 1348 logo there. Nothing in the background. Yes, I need stage hands. Ah, oh, jeez. Okay. Let's see. Why is it? This really sucks. Potato. Why didn't this save? You know what? Screw it. Screw it. I'm just going to use the web version. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just going to use the web version. This really, really, really sucks. Jeez. Anyways, how you guys doing this morning? How you guys doing this morning? Wow. You know, just when you think like, hey, you know what? I'm going to start the show early. Things are going to go well. You know, and all's good. It just... Damn. Okay. We got a new window here. Anyways, how you guys doing this morning? Fantastic morning? Good, good, good. Now, let's see. Get on over to TradingView and get me my save charts, because let's see here. Why did it not save? Potato. This fucking sucks. Okay. Pardon the interruptions, guys. This really is just grinding my fucking gears right now. Let's see here. Why didn't this happen? Alright. We're gonna update the script. Let's see here. I'll update the script. Perfect. Right. Let's see. Get out of here. Change GT. Cool. I don't get this. I really don't get this. Oh, potato. What the fuck happened here? And I don't have... Please, thank you. I'm like, Jesus Christ, what's going on? Hot potato, always for the win here. Always for the win. I just got to copy and just save. Fucking A. Okay. Okay. Not really my cup of tea here with the coloring there, but this'll do. We don't have the black charts. Jeez, 1 second. I prefer the background darker. Let me see if I can change the background. Canvas. Background black. Okay, cool. That's how I like it. I like it black. I like my coffee black. Among other things, but still. All right, settings here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and tweak some things. I apologize. See, this is what happens when I start a stream before I'm supposed to start a stream. All right, large. Top right. Here we go. And then here, settings. Change this to black as well. All right, save. Okay, cool. Now it looks like we have everything we need. All right, you guys ready now? Jesus, I apologize. So someone, let's really look at what these guys are doing over here at TopStep really quick. Let's check them out. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be here. Let's go ahead and look at our charts here. So how are we gonna trade this? I'm gonna go ahead. Let's hit this here. We are trending down now. What you're gonna see here, guys, is there's dual-sided here. We have the candles here, right? Renko candles. But what we have here is the recommended box size, which we have to change, right? So we do this algorithmically, okay, where we can, it alerts you of your box size. So here I would go on over to my symbol, my settings, right? My box size needs to get changed to at about 5 because it's 4.25. So I'll just change this to about 5. And what this is going to do is, along with the trade design, as you guys can see, we got the trade design down, right? What this is intended to do is to help you hold longer, right? So you're not getting freaked out by the candles. This is something that we teach over at Game Trades. And if you want this, you're gonna have to get on over to Game Trades for the recommended box size to make sure that you're always trading the correct size. Okay, this is really, really important. So we got market open, we got a trade design down. Oh man, let me clean up this this chart a little bit. So trend still 1348. We got the 200 EMA. Take off the 1348 signal there, just so I could see this little more clear. We got the trade design down here. Why is the signal still there? Just don't. Okay, there you go. Trade design down. That's what I needed to see. All right, so we are we still muted? What do you mean? Jesus, can you guys hear me? Just making sure. Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. All right, cool. Anita, good morning. All right, let me go ahead and connect my broker here. All right, so I have a concurrent connection. Is that because? Oh, geez. All right, that's because. Oh, this is not my morning. Lord, it's not my morning. It's just really not my morning. Alright, so let me go ahead and looks like I gotta log out of the app. Alright, cool. Let's see. And then I can log into my browser. Oh, what a fucking morning. Alright, stressful. God. Alright, what is this? Alright. Let me guys, I really apologize for a shitty morning. I really do. This really sucks. This sucks for me. 1 second. Jeez. This should work. I'm getting a concurrent connection. I won't. Finally. Alright. Now we can log in. Just my luck. The password, not correct. What a warning. Okay. Rub your ears, Gabe. Rub your ears. Rub your ears, Gabe. Okay. Rub your ears, Gabe. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna hit F5, reload, make sure all the indicators load up. Now it looks like I have a indicator loading issue. When range it pours. Oh, there we go. Okay, so okay, guys, we're back where we need to be. Okay, so it's 9:34. We only missed a candle. All right, let's do this while these guys are doing whatever they got to do and trade. Jerome is okay. They're a bit bullish today, right? So as it stands right now, we're bearish. We are just bearish, and of course, as it stands, we're bearish now. We are not bullish, or we would not consider, well, exiting our bearish trade up until we get a Renko break of the band. As you guys can see here, we're going to look closer. The way this system is set up, the way we have it set up over at Gabe Trades is if the Renko goes ahead and breaks on the other side of the band, that is your clue to get out, right? We're not going to worry so much about the candles. This is what's going to help you hold longer. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out GabeTrades.com. This is exclusive over there exclusively, right? So as you can see, you have all that confidence in the world to just keep holding longer, whereas the candles, like yeah, we're bouncing, we're wicking, we're dojing, we're inverted hammering, we're doing all that nonsense over here, right? Jimmy Spencer, who just started getting trading, actually used the Renko yesterday for the first time, had the best trading day of his life. All right, Jimmy Spencer was up. All right, anybody a Saints fan, you remember who Jimmy Spencer was? So, anyways, we're back here, and look, we're getting possible prints here, right? Now we got to wait for the close here in the Renko. If we don't get the close, we don't close, and we hold on to the trade, right? So that's where we're at right now. Now, I should have entered here. I made my money already this morning. You guys saw. If you guys saw, H. Houston, he remembers. Nice. So if you guys saw, I posted in the Discord already. I already made $19,000 this morning using my own system, right? So, guys, all you guys need to do is use that document that I posted in the Discord. Who's using that document right now? Right? Use that document, the trade design document, also in the description of this live stream. You can get that document, and it's a questionnaire. It checks your mood in the morning before you enter a trade. It tells you, basically, it guides you through the trade. You know what you need to be check marking. Okay. It's super helpful because it keeps you objective as opposed to being an idiot like these guys over at TopStep. I want to tune in on what they're talking about because frankly there's really nothing to do here on the charts. We're just hanging out here, right? Once again, if we get a close of the Renko on the other side of the band, that means we have to close. But what we see here, it's a mint green. That's not a closed green. We have a mint green here. We want a nice green, right? Make sure my eyes aren't failing me. Right, so there's a projected there. Yes, you're going to have to close. This is where you close, right? And congratulations. You could have closed and made a 2-to-1. Maybe a 4-to-1 all the way down to the bottom, okay? So this is basically Renko breaking the band and breaking, excuse me, to excel. All right, so it's an objective exit. All right, are you guys seeing that? Are you guys seeing that? A very objective exit. Okay, trade's done. Now I need to go ahead and make, let's tighten GT. Let's make the trade designs bigger because, yeah, my eyes are strained here. If my eyes are strained, so are yours. So let's go refresh, make it bigger. There we go. That was a 4-to-1. You got the reversal, you secured a 2-to-1 based on this trade with the trade design down, right? So the trade design marked an entry here at 850, and of course you had confluence here with the Renko coming all the way down, again solidifying our system and validating what we do here, right? We are trend traders. We are trend traders. We're not candle guys, or these guys. What are they doing? Look at this stuff. Look at it. All right, look at what these guys are doing over here. Are you not getting an audio from these guys? Oh, you don't get the audio from those guys. Interesting. Alright, so you guys are not getting that audio. Okay, cool. We lost like 10K yesterday, so let me go ahead and see if I can set this up. So we got settings here. USB, this one. Alright, cool. Stereo, let's see, sounds, USB chat. I know there's a setting here that would prevent output routing. There we go. 1 second here. Alright. It'll be part of the main mix. Alright, so you guys should be able to hear this now. Okay, ready?
Because I'll probably do 2 just to get in case it doesn't trade that level.
Price?
Okay.
Better?
Maybe 1 3/4.
You want 3/4? Okay, cool. That's 59.91.
All right,
so
cool.
5. All right. Oh, I gotta say, big day in score. Big day in store here on TopStep TV. So, you ask yourself, why is it a big day? Eddie, what do we got on the calendar for today?
Hey, right around the corner, I took a peek, and in about inside of 20 minutes, we got that crude oil inventory. They're looking at 2.3. Prior was a 4.6. So, as you know, and I know how this crude number comes out, just a heads up on that one. Want to make sure everybody knows about that. Also, we do have, probably going to make a bigger difference here, new home sales. They're looking at around 677,000, prior 698,000. Also, Bostic's going to be speaking here at 11 o'clock here.
Looks like they're down there. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. All right, so we're going to shut them up there. Get back to our church, right? So, guys, if you went ahead and you took this trade down, right? You took it down, and then you had this move here, gray candles, right? There's no action here. And then, of course, you had the green candle. But let's go ahead and look at the candle chart for context here. We did have a level here with Excel, right? So that's why we rejected. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the break to the other side of this level. I want to see if this is going to hold. I personally, I'm going to go ahead and trade small, right? It's, you know, let's go ahead and, wait, this is MNQ. Oh, geez, no, never mind. This is not worth my time. Guys, I have to go on over to NQ, sorry. If I'm going to be doing this, yeah, it's got to be worth my time. Let's see. All right, so NQ, let me just change the contract size. We're going to change that to 3 here, not 13. We're going to change it to 3. Whoa, not 133. Jeez. All right, guys. You know, I had a good night's sleep and everything. Right? So, all right, we went short because it broke that level. That's what we were looking for. We were looking for a level break, and let's get back to this here, right? So we are short, as you guys can see, right? This was a trend down. We had that trend down on the rejection, and the Renko gave us that clue there, right, for the trend down. Now, we're going to see if we get a continuation. We do have a level here, right? So if I have this level, I'm going to be paying attention to this right here, right? And you can see that, yes, there's some sensitivity to that level. What I'm going to do here is you also see the band there just like struggling, right? But we're super small. We're trading super small on NQ, only down $390, $300 with 3 contracts into the market here, right? So the trend is down, right? As so it seems. And then, okay, so we had that bounce off that level. That's something we had to pay attention to. And this is why I like having my own charts, right? Not necessarily a 4-hour level. I don't like to time frame jump. It's just the level there. Now, in part, it's because these are not my charts and I can't see. Right? So where are my predictive levels here? I need them to be like yellow. I need them yellow so I can see them. All right, so there we go. We have that yellow right there. There was a level. We're getting that rejection from the level. You could see that the trend is maintaining itself, even though we're getting a candle bounce. Now, if I get a break above this level, I have to go ahead and close the position. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to maintain this trend. Now, someone may have in this group have maintained a short position, which is fine. You maintained your short position. You would have had your 4-to-1. You know, like, come on, guys, the system paid. This here is a textbook example of what happens when you enter too late on the trade, and or you're playing level breaks and bounces, right? This is where you guys get beat up a lot, and see, I'm getting beat up. But I'm really trading small. Now, when we go ahead and we look at that document that I posted in the Discord, that document's going to ask you a few questions. Are you bearish? Did GG cross, right? Is it a trade design? Are you capturing a trade design? We want to make sure that we're in the trade at its origin. This is where it pays. This is where it pays, right? At the origin. So right now, I'm just dealing with some nonsense here. Although I can clearly see the trend, and the trend is down for now, okay? You guys see what I'm saying? Are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Let me know, right? J-Mac, done for the day. I played the trend and stayed short. Good stuff. Gabe, your expression is funny. Yes. All right. So basically, I maintain my conviction until I have a reason to change my conviction, which is going to be at or about right here. You guys see, we got to wait for the close. But if I get a green candle here and it's crossing the ribbon there, that's usually a sign, right, on that candle close that I need to get out of the trade. I'm not paying attention, guys. When I'm in the trade, I'm not paying attention to the candle. I'm paying attention to the Renko here, right? The Renko is really what's going to keep things simple for me. I'm not worried about wicks. I'm not worried about anything. I'm just worried about a box print. Now, I have to change my settings here, right? Because the Renko is now 6. Let me go ahead and change the settings. Here, let's go. Settings symbol, that's from 5 to 6. Yeah, you know, you guys would do well with maybe like 10 usually, right? Usually 10 works. So for now we're good. Let's see what happens, right? I'm just gonna hold. I'm going to maintain my conviction short. I could add to my position. You guys have seen me add, right? I keep my allocation small, and yeah. All right, so we're going to get that closed there. Yeah, I have to close this position here. And then what I'm going to do is, because we got this level here, we're going to see if I get penetration through the level, right? This is obviously a bounce, okay? Could have closed here, right? So, guys, it really does keep things really, really objective as to when to close your position, right? So, Renko is... Papa Shack. It's not whether Renko is public. Renko is public. However, the recommended box size, all that stuff, that's Gabe trades only, along with some of the other features like GT Legends, right? So, guys, in order to have Renko, you need the premium version of TradingView, I believe, and well worth it. All right. So, with increased volatility, may need to update Renko box size. No, I'm going with what I'm being told here. That's why we have this guide here, right? That's why we have the guide. So, looks like we're making a move up. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go an allocation of 6, and we're going to take this trade up with the band. We got Renko going up, right, guys? I'm just keeping these trades small, really don't care. But just, I want you guys to like see what this, you know, tends to look like, okay? Now we got RSI here above its moving average. That's something we would like to see, right? The only issues that we have here, guys, is we have Excel and we're below the 200 there, right? So again, it is what it is, right? But we're going to go ahead and see what happens with this trade here. We're just going to chill. All right. So here we go. Let's see. the market pops. Is she gonna pop and we make a few bucks here? You can see really choppy almost. It's really nothing smooth here. In fact, it feels like trading view is being really choppy. I'm looking at the candle and the candles are barely moving, but my trade value is, right? Are you guys experiencing that as well? It seems weird, right? Candles are barely moving. My value is moving, but my candles aren't. Okay, so we got a trade design giving us a yellow print here, usually meaning caution, right? So yellow print on the trade design to a red print on the trade design usually means like, hey, this trade design's over, right? All right, so we're doing good here. These candles are being really funny. It's not adding up, right? Looking like a flat day. No, you really can't say that. Establishing a bias in the market, I mean, is just like if that's what you tell yourself, that's what it's going to be, right? And then you go ahead and look back in the market and you're like, damn, there was tons of opportunity out there. I should have took it. But yeah, I'm not really liking the way TradingView's behaving today. Like this not making any sense. It's a really hard read on the candle right now. You can't see nothing. I'm gonna maintain my conviction. We're gonna go ahead and get a break above the 200 there, and ideally that's what we would like to see. We got a great candle there, right? So we want to close. You got about 4 minutes into that close. All right, guys, who's trading views like stuttering like this? Like they got turrets. I don't know. This is weird. Not making a whole lot of sense for me. Let's see. All right, let me go ahead and try refreshing here. Let's go ahead and let me save this really quick. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I guess there's a little bit of a better read here. Yeah, the refresh seems to help. Mine just fine. It does that to me some days. Yeah. Does seem to help here. Okay, we're cool. We lost the first trade. It was clear as day, right? Should have got out when Ranko told me to get out. Yes. All right, so we're back in the trade here, right? Up $2,000. We do have GT 500 here, right? So I'm about a 1-to-1 right here. It seems for the day, well, at least on this trade. Still up about 19,000 on the morning, right? Cool watch. It's a Rolex Pepsi. All right, so we're up 3,000. There you go, 3,500. You guys are watching this. Let's see. There you go. 4,000. Trade design here. All right, so this is going to be a great case study on holding. Okay, we're going to try to make this a case study on holding. All right, we got the break of GT. No, we don't. We don't. All right, so let's see. We don't have the break of GT. So I'm going to go ahead and close that position. I'm going to secure that profit there, right? And then, guys, what we're going to do is I'm going to set another buy order on the top of GT, right? So we're going to go ahead and buy 3. Okay. Now, it showed us a trade design, right? It put us in profit, but we retraced on a candle. I wanted to secure that. We know what the market showed us. It showed us a trade design on the way up. So what I'm going to try to do is capture that move. The TRT, I don't know how it's doing. I was looking at the year in the calendar. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna be 44 this year. 44. So I guess the TRT is working. Who knows? Let's see. We'll see if we get a capture. You see there? That's sweet. I like, you know what? Yeah, come on, capture me, man. Let's go. Capture me. Let's go ahead and make some more money. Let's make some more money. I would love to get up to this 1.8 to 1. That's a level there, right? But we gotta get past this right here. Yeah, RSI is looking good. Right above is moving average. You guys look closely. It's just freaking flirting with that fill. There we go. Ta-da. All right, we got the fill that we need. What we can do, all right, guys, what we can do. PCT, it showed us a trade design on the way up. It was coming up. We were in a trade design up. It flickered. So I sort of kind of like took that for what it was. All right, so we're now up $420, right? I could go ahead and add to my position. We're only 3 contracts in, right? We broke even on the last trade versus the losing trade. 3 contracts in. I'll go ahead and like set my sell here at 1.84. And we're just gonna like go ahead and hang out, right? We're gonna use the Rankos to hang out, and that's it. We're not gonna look at any candles. We're not gonna look at anything. We're gonna wait for a close. Okay, guys, this is what people at Gabe Trades are doing, right? They're just, you know, of course you're gonna trade smaller, but they're not letting the candles freak them out, right? And so this here, guys, is an objective exit right there, right? You gotta exit there once you get the break there, right? So if I go back here, that's your exit, right? When you go back at the candle, you can see how it just came back and retraced. So we'll go ahead. We're gonna stay long here because that's what the rule is, right? And we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna go back and chill with the Renko here. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. So guys, when you're trading, right? For instance, especially scalpers are gonna love this because it gives you that objective exit. Okay. That's the beauty of it. It gives you an objective exit. It's really, really, really important that you have that objective exit where you get the pivot and you know you're out of the trade, right? What I'm looking for is a continuation and a hold above these levels. That's really what I'm looking for. And so I'm looking for, you know, pivot right here. So we do have a level right there, right? You see there's a pivot there, and then a breakthrough, right? So I'm going to establish this as a level. We see, yep, that's a level pretty much. So we're going to hold there, all right? Now, Renko isn't for you guys to go ahead and up and down, up and down. That's not what it's designed for. But clear as day, right? We basically shot our shots, right? And we can see, hey, it's consolidating, right? Let's go ahead and go to the main chart here. Let's go to the main one here, and we can see, hey, it's consolidating, right? But I'm gonna remain bullish here. I'm gonna remain bullish. I'm gonna target 21,404. That's what I'm gonna target. Now, if I get it close below the 200 and below Excel, I have to change my thesis. But what I'm gonna do is, once again, I'm gonna sell up here. I'm gonna modify the trade, right? And there's nothing to do here. Well, not 36, guys. Sorry. Modify that trade. We're gonna go long. That's all we're doing. We're gonna go long. Let it go. That's what we wanted to do. Is just let it go. All right. So there you go. Full disclosure. Long. We're doing pretty decent here. A choppy morning. It's a choppy morning. You know, guys, sometimes we get spoiled sometimes with trending mornings, right? Where the market just trends. And sometimes we get into chop, right? And so what we have here, 955, is the market establishing itself? It seems so. We're up $1,800, right? I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm going to target this up here. We'll look at Renko. Renko is going to ideally keep me in the trend, okay? That's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna hang out here, let it go. Anyways, how you guys doing this morning? How's everybody doing? Let's go ahead and see what these guys are up to. See if they're making money. I mean, I know we're making money. So we had a break even. And actually, it looks like we're going to have another break even because lost 2,000 the other way again, right? So we got 2 break even trades. So, well, guys, once you start feeling like you're getting those break evens, like 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, that's probably chop, right? For me, it's like, okay, yeah, I'm going to be cautious with the market. I'm going to hold off. But what it also means, right, is that I'm going to limit my exposure to the market, and I'm going to maintain a direction. I have to maintain a direction, right? Going back and forth, with the market as it's just doing all this choppy stuff. This is the type of action that wrecks traders. And so we don't want any of that. So what I would do is just really just stay stubborn and say, okay, well, RSI is above 50, right? It's above its moving average, correct? We're above the 200. Everything is bullish here, right? There you go. I mean, we were up $2,700, right? So what I would like to see, of course, is, let's see, are there any levels here? So I'm getting rejected by this level. That's exactly what's happening here. Let's draw that. That's a level that I'm getting rejected by. And if I can get a break and a hold above this level, then yes, we're coming up to 21,405. But yeah, come on, baby, let's go. You see that wick? No, there's another level here at 21,345. Now let's see, because if I can get up to 2345, then that means I'm pretty much a 2-to-1 versus my previous loss, which then has me up on the day. Actually, I need to know my stats right now. I feel like I came in up 19, and I feel like I'm breaking even at this point. Again, it's just a chop of the market. Just really sucks. Can't control that. Let's go on over to Trade of 8. See where I'm at. And she's coming back down. Good God. Let's see. Okay. We go to reports for today. Just a whole lot of nothing. All right. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, so per my reports, I'm actually down 2K. That's not cool. You see what I gotta go through, guys, just to do these live streams for you? Huh. Here we go. Home sales. What's that? That's the 10 o'clock data there, right? So let's see. For me to get to break even, I need about 2,000. I need to make this worth my time too, because yeah. There we go, 3,000. That's nice. That's nice. Trump is talking. Oh, jeez. Right, this 3,000. Yes, we're maintaining our direction. All right, guys, we see. Zoom in. It's 3,000. Let's get to 4,000. Ah, come on. Right, we just come on. We come up here. That's gonna be we get up to here. That's gonna be about like 5,000 or 6,000 at 21,339. If I can get to 6,000 at or about, like, hey, cool. I can close my day up 23,000 for the day. Like, I'm not gonna complain. But we need this candle close above the level, and oh my God, 54 seconds left. Can we do it? This is fun. So Trump's talking. Oh God, what's that guy saying? You know, I have never, guys, I swear to God, the news feels like Twitter regarding Trump. It's just like, you go on MSNBC, everywhere you go, it's like something bad about the president. It's just like really, like, wow, the whole world just turned into Twitter. It's crazy. Um, okay, yeah, I'm not liking that. Look at that. Not liking that. Come on, get back up there. Okay, I'm going to close that right there, and then I'm just going to put a buy on the other side of that level, right? Because that wick was just very annoying. Coming on up, that's... Right, so we get a buy on 6 there, and then we could just get a sell. Right, let's see. Get a sell 6 there. That's where we're gonna go there, right? Brian says he loves Trump, unless he is long on a trade. All this chop, I've been keeping things short and sweet this morning. James, that's the way you're supposed to do it. Let's, James, exactly how you're supposed to do it. What are these guys over at TopStep talking about? Jerome, possible long and Q on pullback. Okay. Guys, how good is Jerome? Don't know how good the guy is, but let's see. We'll get right there. We'll make some money. Okay, so guys, we have to get a break above here, otherwise you're going to get wrecked. We have to get a break above this level. I didn't like the way the candle reacted to this level, so I closed my position, right? We found that level printed here, courtesy of the predictive levels, so you know at all times what's happening, right? Now, if we go ahead and we look at what happens here, you could see how it reacted to that level right there as well. Okay, that's the beauty of the Rankos. So it keeps things nice and clean and objective, right? And you're not sitting there like, oh my God, but what about the candles and what about the wicks, right? Montrese made her money and she's out. Good stuff. That's what I like to see. Okay, this is wow right now, huh? This is a wow right now. Look at this. Wow. We're going to get a bounce off the 200. You know what? This is a great opportunity. If I'm going to be long, this is a great opportunity for me to get this cheaper if it's going to come right back up, right? So it has to come back up, close through the band, right? We need the candle to come back up through that band and get back to our entry point. It's a trade design. I have been gifted with an entry point here in a trade design. Like, why not, right? We had that pull back a little bit. Let's see. We get the bounce off of the level here. We also get that bounce off the 200. RSI still above 50 and above its moving average. We're still bullish here. All right, so we got the fill, and now we're okay. We're up. Nice. And quick bucks here, right? $1,000. Let's see. Now, where did the market go previously? The market went, see that wick there, right? The market went up there. Now, we're up a nice, what, $1,700, $2,200, right? We're going to make some good money here. We're going to make some good money here. 26, 25, 27, 24. We're making some good money here, right? Not bad, not bad. Come on. We got that bounce. What's going to happen here? So we're getting more of that, you see? More of that just choppiness right there. More of that choppiness. Oh, this sucks, right? This is where being greedy, just really sucks, right? Especially with chop, right? So guys, with chop, you have to have a shortened expectation. I'm just going to go ahead and take, my take profit's just going to be like basically right there. Right, so if it comes back up and I take my profit, I'll probably make, $1,500 to $2,000, right? So that's all we're gonna do here. Just let this thing do what it has to do. I could add to my position and say, okay, well, since I got a shorter run, If I got a shorter run to my exit, I could make more money. But here we go. All right, $1,000, $900. Like, okay, we're scalping. We're scalping a choppy market. Woohoo! Let's see, $1,000. Cool. $1,400. Can we get this to the top of the wick right there? $2,000. Yes, nice. All right, $2,000. Should we get a little more? Oh, whatever. That's my game plan, anyways. So. Here we go. Boring, choppy morning. It was a boring, choppy morning. All right. So the band is trending up here. We got the band trending up here, right? So the band is trending up. It's sort of kind of protecting my entry right there. That's what I like. I like to see that band protect my entry. We're up $3,000. Yeah, I had to work for my money this morning. Thank you guys for making me work for my money this morning. Jeez Louise, right? Jeez. And of course, these candles aren't really like the dollar value to the candle just didn't make it sense today. It's a little funky day here. So what do we do, right? In a choppy day, we maintained one direction based on what our indicators were telling us, right? We maintained that direction. It's equivalent to, like they say, hey, if you get lost, stay put, right? Don't move. It makes it harder for people to find you if you got lost, right? Remember, like as a kid, we go on a field trip. If you get lost, just stay right there, right? So you're not getting chased. Right, so it's very, very similar to that, right? We try to keep a bias in a general direction, so that we don't get lost ourselves, right? Like, oh, what's going to happen here? What's going to happen there, right? So back here, it's like I should have took the money, and the market's just like, hey, yeah, it's just chopping right now. So I'll go ahead and just take that, right? And I don't like any bit of any of this price action here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll buy if this candle earns this position here. Yeah, that's it, right? So I'm literally scalping. That's basically what's happening right now, is we're literally scalping because we do not trust what the market's doing, right? So here we go. Now, this is one of those ways where it's just like, when you get out of the trade and you're like, oh, the market took off without me. Well, what I did was like, I sort of kind of like just secure the profit and then just said, okay, like now go prove yourself. And so it proved itself and took me up. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna fill me here. I think we're gonna do really, really, really good. I think we're gonna do really, really, really good. Yeah. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm on a live stream. You okay? All right. I'll call you back. Bye. Okay, so here we are. Hit Brian's like all the time. What are we doing here? Is the market gonna pump? Oh my God, here we go. Are we gonna get the fill? we gonna get the fill here? Let's see if we're gonna get the fill. If we get the fill, I can end the stream. Game's getting filled. Well, I'm hoping to. There you go. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Oh, come on. This market is just being a freaking pain in the ass right now. Oh, God. This market's really testing my patience right now. It's really testing my patience right now, isn't it? Oh, man. Who wants to see this trade over already? You know what? Whatever. So, let's go ahead and see what the Reiko's doing right now. Oh, that's nice. You see, nice trend there. It's Reiko's like, hey man, Gabe, just chill the fuck out. I'm like, but dude, the candles, man, the candles, and the whole time, Reiko's like, Gabe, chill out. Look it, we're going up. Oh, good God. Seriously. I'm like, dude. All right, we're up 3,000. We're up 3,100. I think there's going to be a really profitable morning, huh? 3,700. Yeah, there goes that level there. There goes that level. Gabe. You know what to do. Gabe, don't be greedy. That's what you tell your students, not to be greedy. But you know what? I'm trading for free. I am up. Let's see. Let's go back to my reports. Yeah, boom goes the dynamite. Like, it's nice. It's good God, it's beautiful, right? Just hanging out here. It's like, ta-da! You know what I mean? It's that kid about to break through like a freaking positive pregnancy test. I'm gonna stun everybody. And Japan's like, take it, mofo. Come on, Japan. Everybody in here with the butt clenching with me, like, no. We're not doing it. But damn, that level is strong. That level is strong. It is. That level is so strong. Let me go ahead and see what my homeboy over here is telling me. He's telling me hold. Huh. He's telling me hold. Saying hold. There you go, we're holding. It's telling me hold. Oh man. Hey, we're getting rewarded right here, man. It's what are we up? We're up 5,000 almost. Zoom on in. Yeah, nice. 5K 52. Saying hold. Hold. So we're holding. This is 5,000. Yes. We're hanging out here. My band, everything said bullish. So we're chilling here, guys. Okay, yeah. This is sweet. This is gonna be a big day for me. Yeah, this is gonna be a big day. I mean, it's $5,000. This is saying hold. Why is my trend tracker still red? I'm not sure. Man, look at this. We're up $6,000. We're up 6,000. Oh, we going to the level. Oh, we going to the level, baby. See, we yeah. I mean, doesn't this make things easier, guys? Does it make things easier? You got to change my settings. I change this to, I mean, 6 or 7. Not much of a difference, right? Ladies, you can't tell between a 6 and a 7, right? It's not that much of a difference. Not that much of a difference. One second. All right, right here. Brian Lewis says so much easier. Yeah, it's just so much easier. We're holding. Holding. We were up 6,000, damn it. Let's zoom on in. You see that candle here? Would have got everybody nervous right here. It's still trending up. But you know, I want the stream to end already. I really want it to end. We're gonna close the position there. We closed that position. Hey, we're done, right? We closed that position at the very print, that first pink right there, right? I just closed it, right? It's uncertainty for me. So you close it. There's that very first pink there. Done. Let's see. I mean, I think I'm done. We made money today. Right? We made money by holding the trend and just sticking to our guns despite the morning opening choppy. And of course, we got Renko just sort of kind of like leading the way for us. Like, it's great. It's great. Yeah, it's great. I love it. I love it. Who had fun today? Nah. Who had fun today? Guys asking. You guys are having fun? Cool. Okay. So, let's see. Me, nice. Cool. Everyone's having fun. Cool. Yeah. I just have this inkling though, like it's gonna go up to my level, the level that I wanted. And, you know, like I'm gonna be upset that I bailed when, you know, it should be going up to the level that I wanted. So it really sucks, but whatever. J-Mac had a blast. Alright, I'm glad you guys had a blast. Enjoy my coffee. Yeah, I really feel like it's going to go up to that level. I just really do. The Gamer. All right, brother, take it easy. James Hine. All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and keep to. Anybody got questions? Is there any questions here? And by the way, I am looking for like my protege. Basically become my hip for the year, and like we talk every day and that kind of thing. Like I'm looking for one of those, right? It's not free, of course it's not free, but I would like to develop yeah, I would like to develop somebody. Let's see. Jump. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Market's like, hey, Gabe, yeah, you chilled? I'm gonna take a chill today. We're all taking a chill today. I am out, boys and girls, right? ES level hit. Sweet. That's what we're looking for. Richard's like, let's do it. Richard, you become my protege, dude. You have to listen to everything. Like, I'm literally gonna have to beat you with a stick. I'm gonna have to beat you with a stick for you to listen. Good God. I would love to help though. Yeah. Was it 10:30? Guys, we made our money. We made our money by 10:30. It's like we started the stream at what? 9:15. We entered the trade around 9:35. It was an hour in the market. We are just hanging out. Jesse says I'm down. How are you, Jesse? How? He is laughing about it. Jesse's like, I'm down. I'm laughing about it. I don't get that. How you down? Anyways, hey, you want to just hear what these fuck charts are talking? Nah, you know what? It's not even worth it. I really wanted to like see if I got something interesting out of these guys. It was like, really, there's nothing fucking interesting. So even though you guys can't hear them, I can hear them and what they're talking about. There's really nothing fucking interesting, and people are like watching these guys. The tilt is only available on TopStep X. Blah 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 blah. Like, yeah, whatever. It's like, did these guys make money? I don't know if they made money. Did they make money? Oh, you're down to be my trading buddy, Jesse? Oh, boy. Is that TMI? I swear, you know what? That's funny. It didn't look like TMI really quickly. You're like, oh, shoot. Look at TMI there. Oh, shoot. Lord. Oh, man. Oh, man. Ah, jeez. Like, all right, I want to hear what these guys are saying. Let's listen. Let's listen, guys. Okay, let's see.
Updates over here. That one wasn't. And I'm like, oh, they've actually increased, so the longs are actually in the money, more in the money, or getting paid. But then it's put a brakes on that when it was like 80%, 75 to 80% tilted to the long side, and then sold off 50 handles. 50 handles, 50 points. Same.
Crude number coming in 3 minutes. Quick flash poll like we do around here. Quick 500 votes. You can take it down. How about that?
Yeah, so Dre, the point of that is if you would have got short before when it was in the 70s, 72s or whatever, it built up to 80.
My man over here looking like a transgendered Rihanna.
I'm not short. It would have been short around the 40s. Look at that sell off. They'll continue to sell off. Look at that.
I know.
2 minutes.
Mr. Crude. What's expected, Eddie?
Well, they're looking right now 2.4. Prior was a 4.6. But once again, we know how well crude oil inventories likes to, as we say.
So bad.
Yeah, they do.
It's not
Who
close
here-
to
Or they're looking for.
You take down the poll.
Watches tilt. Who watches tilt in the chat? Anybody here a tilt trader? It's a data set.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, John, you've been doing it since the
Yeah.
trading pin days.
I could see my competitors.
You could see them exactly.
Yes.
And the trading pits, it's a trick. It's not a trick. It's just a strategy that people. It's another data set. Like in the trading pit, you would
Data
see
set.
it happen. Yeah, it's a data set. Everything's a data set. And what do you want to do with it is up to
Yep.
you.
Who asked for that poll? Hey, Mike, there's your results. 58%. 57% watching are in the United States.
There ain't no guessing here. We knew exactly what was going to happen. There was no guessing. We knew exactly what was going to happen here. I'm done. Yeah, guys. This candle here, at the print here, like when we saw this print, I'm done. I'm done. Guys, you want to listen to those guys? You want to, you know, like whatever. I'm here to make money. I like making money. I don't know about you guys. Like, we can see into the future almost. This, by the way, is ES, and ES. We had to change our Renko size to about 2 to be able to see that drop. It worked. I swear that better not be. That can't be TMI. Like, that motherfucker looked like he's got Botox. Like, look at this. Like, oh my god, let's zoom out in. Hold on. Can we do that? It looks like he's. No, you can't really zoom in. It looks like he's got fucking Botox. That can't be TMI. That's not TMI. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Alright, guys, I'm signing out for sure. It's like, we're done. Jeez. Lord. Peace out.